Hi there, welcome back to BitFocus. As we have learned how to set up and start coding into JavaScript in our previous session, so you can find the video in channel BitFocus. Today in this session we'll learn about data types in JavaScript. What are data types? So whenever we declare some variables, for example, we store a value into a variable, a number, a text, or something else. All of them are specified with a specific data type. So data type in JavaScript is dynamic. Please remember, dynamic. It means that whenever we declare a variable, according to a value, the variable gains its data type. If the value is a number, so its data type is a number. If the value is a text, its data type is changed into a string, and more others. So please remember, JavaScript types are dynamic. So how many kinds of data types are there in JavaScript? There are 4. So they are strings. For example, a string is declared with single or double quotation. You see, John is a string, and the second variable is also a string. You see, this is a number, but this is also a number, so this number is inside double quotation, so it is considered as a string. This string makes it also a string, so the result is a string. Number, you see, 12 is a number without single or double quotation, so it is an integer, and this number, this is also a number but decimal, so no matter decimal or integer at all, it is number, or its data type is a number. Boolean, what is Boolean? True or false? Two values, true or false, not more, so this is Boolean. Always please remember, true or false. If a variable has a value true or false, so it is a Boolean. Object is another data type in JavaScript. So you see car with some properties or some attributes, so inside the object it is object. So I hope you have understood, and we will have some examples. So now we should create a new file, an HTML file, and into our HTML we should start coding JavaScript. Please ignore other directories. I am using only tutorial, so inside tutorial we should create a new HTML file. What should be its name? Its name should be data type, but it's optional, no problem. You can add other files with other names. So it is our HTML file, and I should write something as a title, data types into JavaScript. I have talked about where should we put our JavaScript code, so I do not focus on them now. Script, it is a mandatory tag we should add always. So now we should talk about data types. So for example, we want to declare some variables. So for example, we consider a person here, like John Doe, or sorry, a person, and we should start declaring our variable where first name. Any person has a name, so name is we can write the name into single or double quotation, no problem, or double quotation. For example, John. So you see it is a text, so because it is inside double quotation, so it is a string. I mean, this name is a string, its data type is a string. For example, age, so age is always a number. For example, 84 or 55, so his age is 55, so it is a number. Of course, its data type is a number. Or weight, var width. For example, his width is like this, so it is also a number, but decimal number, no problem, decimal or integer, but it is a number, so his data type is a number. Sorry, I is left here. And we want to add some more other attributes here. So how? For example, great. We want to declare an object here. Object. What is object? Object is a variable which contains some attributes or a bunch of properties. For example, field. His field is computer science, grade A, and for example, state like California. So it is an object. As I told you, an object is understood from here, so object has its data type also object. I mean, the data type of an object is also object. So grade is an object here, its data type is object. So how should we understand that it is an integer, or it is a string, a number, or object like that? How should we understand? It is very easy. So I mean, there is a function in JavaScript which show the type of any variable. Its name is also type of. So how? Console.log. I want to show type of name. Type of name. I want to check type of name. So we should run into browser. You see nothing here. I should define another tag. Checking data types. Types into JavaScript. It is a message, but we should see the result. That is something else. We should see inspect. You see a string. As I told you, console.log. Type of name is a string. So type of grade. What is type of grade? Type of grade. Type of grade is object. If you cannot see, I should zoom it here. So you see object. Type of age. We should see type of age here. Number. If you cannot see well, I should zoom it in. Sorry. You see number here. It is number. Type of and if we concatenate, for example, this width with some text, for example, kilogram. You see this kilogram is, it is a string, but it is a number. So number concatenate, it is concatenate, not adding like arithmetic or like in math. It means merge this integer or this number with this string. So now the result of which must be changed. So if we you see, sorry, it is a string. And again, if I clear this kilogram from here, sorry, the semicolon must not be cleared. So now we should see it. It's a number. If you concatenate a number with a string, it is changed into a string. So this was all about data types. I hope you have understood.